What is KYC? KYC is short for Know Your Customer, not to be confused with KFC, which is Kentucky Fried Chicken. It is a process that financial exchanges and services use to verify the identity of their customers. It helps them confirm that the person they're dealing with is who they say they are, or they know their customer. KYC is intended to prevent illegal activities like money laundering and fraud. But what does KYC mean for Bitcoin? Bitcoin was designed to be decentralized, allowing people to trade without needing a middleman, like a bank. However, governments around the world have required Bitcoin services, like exchanges, to follow strict KYC rules. KYC may seem like a middleman for some Bitcoin users. If you want to buy, sell, or trade Bitcoin on most major platforms, you'll need to go through KYC. This raises concern for centralized control of on- and off-ramps or conversion to and from Bitcoin. How does KYC work? KYC usually requires users to submit a government-issued ID and proof of current address. Once this information is submitted, it's verified before you can start using the service for trading or transacting. There are several downsides to KYC Bitcoin, including loss of privacy, data leaks, limited or censored access, and seizure risk. However, not all Bitcoin services require KYC. Simple Mining currently does not require KYC. We never come between you and your Bitcoin. This is one of the major benefits of Bitcoin mining. To learn more about Bitcoin and KYC, visit simplemining.io.